Hello students, how are you? It's me Sunumaya Pakrin. Welcome class everybody. Now yesterday we have learned about the class 10 science invertebrates, that's about the silkworm. Now today we are going to study about the invertebrates, the honeybee. Introduction. Honeybees are social and colonial insects found all over the world. They have developed one of the most highly organized society with division of labor known to the animal world. They secrete wax which solidifies on coming in contact with air. The wax is used by them to form combs. This combs serves as the storehouse for the honey and the birthplace of the honeybee. There are several species of honeybees in the world. Out of them, two are common in Nepal. They are Apis mellifera and Apis cerana. The artificial rearing of honeybees for producing honey on commercial scale is called apiculture. As we know that honeybees produces honey, and if the honeybees are reared for the producing of honey in commercial scale, it is known as apiculture. Honeybees are trimorphic as they are found in three different forms in their colony, namely queen, drones and workers. And these queen, drones and workers, that they perform different functions in the colony. Caste of honeybee. In the beehives in the colony, there are three different types of bees are found, that is queen bee, drones and the workers. Queen bee, it is fertile female, and drone, it is fertile male, and worker, it is sterile female. It do not take part in reproduction. Only the queen and the drones are responsible for the reproduction, and this worker bee, it is responsible for collecting the honey. The queen bee. The queen bee, it is large among all the bees in the colony. And when we see in comparison to the worker bee and the drone bee, queen bee has shorter wings and elongated abdomen in comparison to the other bee. And the main duty of this queen bee is to lay eggs and coordinate with other worker bees in the colony. And the queen bee, it helps in the reproduction. And another special thing is that it also coordinates all the other bees in the colony. That is, it produces a typical fragrance from its body, which is known by all the colonies and easily find the way to come back home during the collection of nectar and the grains, especially the worker bees, that they go for collecting the nectars for a long distance, and to come back home they get the special fragrance of the queen bee and they come back to their own home. This is all about the queen bee. Now the drones. Drones are especially for fertilizing female queen and keep their beehive warm. The individual drone, it mates with the female queen and it dies immediately after mating. They are blackish and more hairy than the worker bees, and in their size in comparison to the worker queen, its size is bigger than worker bee and smaller than the queen bee. It lacks poisonous gland, and the pollen sacs are absent because it do not go for collecting the nectars and the pollen. So it is fed by the worker bee. Its main function is only to help in the fertilization of the female and continue the generation. Now the next one is the workers. The workers are smallest in size. You can see there the queen bee, it is largest, and then the drone, and the smallest one is the worker bee. This worker bee, its main function is to collect the nectar, to visit the different flowers and collect the nectars from the long distance and make the honey. They have chewing and lapping type of mouth and poisonous stinging at the end of the abdomen. They have pollen basket at their hairy legs, and they make combs, collect nectars and protect the hives. They look after the eggs, larvae. These are their functions. The function of the worker bees, it do not have the reproductive function. It is sterile female. The life cycle of the honeybees. As like the other insects, the honeybees life cycle has also 4 different stages, that they are egg, larva, pupa and adult are the 4 stages of life cycle of honeybees, and we are going to study them in detail one by one. The first one is the egg stage. After mating with the male, the female honeybee or the queen lays about 1500 to 3000 eggs in a day. The queen chooses standard size cell to release fertilized eggs where worker bees are developed. It chooses wider drone size cells for developing drones where she release unfertilized eggs. The fertilized eggs develops worker bee, and the unfertilized eggs develops the drone bees. Now next stage is the larva stage. After 3 days, the eggs are hatched into larvae. The larvae are voracious. That means that they are fed with the royal jelly more. That means they consume more and more food. That's why they are called voracious. They feed on royal jelly for the first 3 days, but later on they feed on honey and pollen. And only the larva, which is chosen for the future queen, that larva is fed with royal jelly continuously, and when it becomes adult, that the larva which was fed with the royal jelly continuously, that it becomes the queen bee. Now next stage is the pupa. In this stage, the large transformation takes place in this stage. It starts producing eyes, legs, hairs, and their body is also covered with the hairs. And after 7 to 24 days, pupa they are chewed of the wax and come out as the adult from the pupa stage. Adult. The workers takes 12 days, drones takes 14.5 days, and the queen takes about 7.5 days to emerge from pupa. They feed on honey, and in this way the life cycle completes. The duration of egg, larva, pupa and adult of 3 forms of bees are shown here in the table. The 3 forms of bees, queen, drone and worker bee, they remain in the egg stage for 3 days, and after 3 days all the types of bees they are changed into larva. They are hatched out into larva, and the larva of the queen, it lasts for 5.5 days, and after 5 days it becomes pupa. Similarly, the drones and the workers, they stay as a larva for 6 days, and after that drones becomes pupa and worker also becomes pupa. Drones remain as pupa for 12 days and workers remain as pupa for 14.5 days. Now the queen, after 7.5 days, it becomes adult and it survives for 2 to 5 years. Altogether, it survives for 2 to 5 years. Similarly, drones, after 12 days, it becomes adult and it survives up to 4 months. Similarly, the workers, after 14.5 days, it becomes adult and survive for 6 to 7 weeks. Now, as a summary, let's see the life cycle of honeybee once again from the beginning. That is, in the beginning, the queen, after mating with the female, it lay eggs in the cell, and after 3 days, eggs are hatched out into larvae. Just now I have told you in the table here. That is, now after 3 days, the larva change into larva, and worker bees feeds the hatched larva with the royal jelly for 3 days, and after 3 days, they are fed with the honey and pollen, and the worker choose such a cell that is for the queen. If the cell that is chosen for the queen, the worker bee feeds that larva continuously with the royal jelly. Then the larva becomes matured and the worker bees, this seals the cell with the wax, and in the it becomes pupa, and this pupa stays. It is not fed by any food. It do not consume any food at all, and continuously they are grown inside the cell, and most of their body parts are already developed, and larva becomes pupa. And then the pupa, it too consumes the cell by itself, and it comes out as an adult, and then adult bee leaves the cell, and this way life cycle of the honeybee is completed. Now the function of different caste of honeybee in their different ages. Let's see in this table. Here the drones, main function of the drone is to fertilize female queen bee and maintain the temperature of the hive. It keeps the beehive warm. Next one is the queen bee. Its function is to lay eggs in the colony, and it secretes certain smell and conducts and controls the beehive. The workers of 1 to 3 days, the workers of these days, that they are very weak, and their main function is to cover egg, larva, pupa and keep them warm, and they clean the cells of comb, and they feed on the scattered food from the surrounding, because they are very small and very young worker bees. Next one is the worker bees of 4 to 6 days. Their function is they feed the young ones and also consumes a lot of food by themselves. The worker bee of 7 to 11 days, they produce a gland on their head and produce royal jelly and feed them to the larva and the queen. Just previously also I have told you that is the queen bee is fed only with the royal jelly. And this worker of 12 to 17 days, they manufacture wax and build new combs and the cap the cells. 18 to 20 days workers, they produce poison gland and protect the beehive. Similarly, the worker of 21 days, fully matured worker, they collect nectar, pollen grains, gums and water, defend the nest from the robber bees and the wasps. These are the different functions of the different castes of bee in their different ages. Now, uses of honey. Before that, how the honey is produced. The nectar is collected by the worker bees and is stored in the comb. The nectar then undergoes chemical change, then the honey is formed in the comb. And now we use honey for different purposes. Let's see its uses. The honey produced by honeybee, it is used as food, which is very nutritious food, and that provides as a source of vitamins, proteins, and minerals. It is used as medicine to remove weakness, mental disorder, fatigue, nervous disorder, and it also acts as bactericides, that is to kill the bacteria, removes gastric ulcer, provides relief from hyperacidity. It is it gives us energy. Bee wax is used to make creams, lotions, face packs, etc. After the extraction of honey, bee wax that is used to make the creams, lotions, face packs, etc. Honeybee helps in the pollination. As we know that when the honeybee, they go for collecting honey, they move from one flower to another flower. At that time, it helps in the pollination. These are the uses of honeybee. Now class response please. What is apiculture? Name 2 species of honeybees reared in Nepal. How many types of honeybees are living in beehive? What are the main function of drone? What are the uses of honey or honeybee? Draw the life cycle of honeybee. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.